Oh, did you see that? Oh my God, guys, it is freaking speechless. Hi everyone, it's Alan Chester. Lately, I've been running a few tests and sharing only the ones that actually give something interesting in real conditions. In this video, I'll walk you through one of them step by step, and I'll also show where I usually post extra updates, full setups, and behind-the-scenes stuff. That's where things get a bit more active, so make sure you stay till the end. And now, I want to tell you a little bit about my channel. Here you can find something interesting like my daily life, news, and other things. Okay, let's continue. So I can notice this setup here. So I press it and press start. Continue. So I will set this one. And I click open. Okay, now it's loading. So, okay, it loaded. I press this blue button and another one. I choose this thing and copy it. And this one, after this, I press paste and set this thing. So I don't forget copy this tag and paste it too. Okay, so I press next and continue. And now it's processing, just wait for this. So for now, I don't have this, but let me reload it once. Nothing. Okay, I will reopen it. So close it anyway. Open again. Okay, again loading. And yeah, guys, okay, for now we have this one. So let's start. Complete it, okay? So, next step. And guys, now I will adjust some settings like our seed. And I think it needs for identification. How you see, I already have one, but seed seems necessary thing. I can find it in the fairness settings. Okay, copy. Paste. And the same once again. And keep attention, this one too. Okay, paste. And 31. Okay, so now it's loading again. Okay, I need to adjust it again. Completed. Next step, and loading. Okay, nice. It's loaded, so let's try. Close. Set this one. Here, 10. And this blue button. Okay. Oh, got it. Wow, how much is this? Oh, wow, guys, damn it. Oh my God. Okay, let's continue. Just for test, I will set again one more. Okay, it loaded. Let's go. Okay. This blue button again. So, okay, let's start. Okay. 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 Oh yeah, baby, come here. Wow. Guys, oh my God, just look at this. Okay, I will press this blue button, guys. Let's go. I will set this one and I will fill this and go here. Copy it and paste here. So I click blue button and now got message about my request. And let's just wait for this. Guys, just a quick reminder while we're waiting, everything shown here is only part of a controlled test and for entertainment purposes. This is not financial advice and there are no guarantees of any outcome. Results can vary completely from one situation to another, and there is always a risk involved in anything like this. I'm not suggesting anyone try this or rely on it in any way, just observing how it behaves in this specific case. Let's see what happens next. I wanted to say about my channel, but I got message about my request, so it's interesting for me to check. So now I open this thing and let's reload, guys. Nothing. Oh, did you see that? Oh my god, guys, it is freaking speechless. Wow, guys. Okay, so it was really crazy, guys. I appreciate you very much for watching this video. Write your opinion, subscribe, and like if you love my videos. It was Alan Chester. See you later.